Hey there, it's Brianna with WTI, and this is the Samsung Galaxy 5 watch.
This watch really has everything that you need in a smart wearable. It's got a really comfy band that's easy to put on and fits well, and it has so many options for customization. Starting with the wallpaper, of course, you get so many options to choose from and can customize the colors, fonts, and styles. One of my favorite features is the body composition measurement that tells you muscle mass, fat mass, BMI, and body water, something that only expensive machines at doctors or gyms can usually tell you. Make sure that it's moved up on your wrist, and then you'll just hold your two fingers on the two buttons and it will measure for about a minute. And then you can also keep track of your results in the Samsung Health app. I have all of my favorite features pinned to my main menu, including alarms, activity level, sleep monitor, heart rate, stress level, which I also like to measure daily, and exercise. It's really easy to start a new workout, or your watch will auto detect when you're already working out. It will also measure your steps during the day. You also get Samsung's native helper Bixby, which gives me quick answers to questions. Along with taking phone calls and playing music, this watch really does it all and is a great complement to an active life.
And that's my point of view.